Ready to feel a little envious of your kids? From mini Jeeps that outpace your lawnmower to mini trucks, they'll have you wishing for a bigger garage. These children's vehicles are anything but ordinary. Buckle up, because Playtime just got a serious upgrade. Number 10. Telmotor 125cc Jeep, a thrilling ride for kids. When you think of children's vehicles, bright and cheerful toy cars with a single pedal often come to mind. However, the Telmotor 125cc Jeep redefines that concept by providing a more realistic and adventurous experience. This mini Jeep is built to resemble a real car, offering children a thrilling ride while simultaneously aiding in their development by providing more challenging features. The sturdy metal frame ensures the utmost safety for both the driver and passenger, while the 6.5 horsepower engine powers the vehicle up to 48 kilometers per hour. Equipped with a 3-point seatbelt system, rear view mirrors, direction lights, and a horn, this mini Jeep replicates the features of a full-sized vehicle. Interestingly, it even comes with a gearbox, available in both automatic and semi-automatic variants, and requires refueling. With a tank capacity of 4 liters, the 125cc Jeep is designed to captivate older children and give them a real driving experience, priced around $1,600. Number 9. Scania 730 Mini Truck, for the future truck enthusiast. If your child dreams of becoming a truck driver, the Scania 730 Mini Truck is an ideal choice. This exact replica of the Scania tractor unit is scaled down to fit a child's size, offering a highly realistic experience for young truck enthusiasts. Measuring 190 centimeters in length, 75 centimeters in width, and 130 centimeters in height, this toy vehicle is larger than most other children's cars, making it an impressive sight. Equipped with a 24-volt power unit and chain drive, the Scania 730 Mini Truck delivers a speed of up to 6 kilometers per hour. The 6-layer pneumatic tires ensure a smooth ride, while the engine's roar mimics the sound of a real tractor unit. Despite its impressive features, the truck comes with a hefty price tag of $5,400. However, the attention to detail and durability of the toy justifies the cost, making it an investment for parents who want to inspire their child's imagination. Number 8. Mini Cat Dozer, raising a handy helper. Looking for a toy that combines fun and functionality? The Mini Cat Dozer is the perfect solution. This small bulldozer is a replica of a real Caterpillar machine, making it ideal for kids who love construction and heavy machinery. What's unique about this model is that it's completely handmade, assembled by a single individual at home. Unfortunately, this means it isn't available for purchase, but you can obtain a self-assembly manual for $30. Imagine the fun your child will have plowing through the snow or clearing leaves with their very own mini dozer. Not only does this toy provide entertainment, but it also teaches children basic skills in mechanics and construction. Number 7. Lewis Mini Boat, the ultimate DIY masterpiece. The Lewis Mini Boat is another one-of-a-kind creation, built by a devoted father for his children. Though not available commercially, this handmade mini boat showcases the power of DIY engineering. Constructed entirely without store-bought parts, the boat's hull is made from aluminum, and it runs on a 26cc engine, which requires refueling like a real boat. The Lewis Mini Boat is not just a toy, but a fully functional mini watercraft capable of pulling a child on a bodyboard. This backyard-built marvel can withstand the weight of a child and deliver moderate power, making it a unique and fun addition to any family adventure. While you won't find this boat in stores, it's an inspiring example of what can be accomplished through creativity and craftsmanship. Number 6. Hyper Go Go-Kart, turning your hoverboard into a go-kart. Do you have an old hoverboard gathering dust in the garage? The Hyper Go Go-Kart offers a fantastic way to give it new life. This foldable attachment transforms any hoverboard into a sleek, exciting go-kart. Not only is it an excellent option for children, but it's also adjustable, making it suitable for adults as well. The go-kart features a low seat, providing excellent balance and stability. It even comes with shock absorbers for a smoother ride, especially on uneven terrain. The technical specifications depend on the hoverboard you attach it to, but the overall versatility of this accessory makes it a fun and cost-effective way to revitalize your hoverboard. At a price of $400, the Hyper Go Go-Kart is an affordable way to bring new excitement to an old gadget. Number 5. Geck and Snow, a snowmobile adventure for kids. For families who live in snowy regions, the Geck and Snow from Motex offers a perfect winter adventure for children. This innovative snowmobile is built on the base of a 70cc ATV, offering versatility for both summer and winter use. By replacing the ATV's wheels with triangular caterpillar modules, the Geck and Snow ensures excellent ground clearance and superior cross-country capabilities. The snowmobile also features wide skis with reinforced metal bases, enhancing durability and performance in deep snow. Safety is a top priority with this vehicle, as it comes with an electric starter, remote control, and a mechanical speed limiter. Designed for children between the ages of 3 and 8, the Geck and Snow can reach speeds of up to 30 kilometers per hour, providing a thrilling yet safe ride for young adventurers. Number 4. Bugatti Baby 2, a luxury car for kids. The Bugatti Baby 2 is more than just a toy. It's a luxury vehicle for the young elite, modeled after the iconic Bugatti Type 35. This miniature car was originally built in 1926 by Ettore Bugatti for his son. Today, the Bugatti Baby 2 continues this tradition, allowing children to experience the elegance and power of a Bugatti at a smaller scale. With a 13-horsepower engine and a top speed of 70 kilometers per hour, this car offers an authentic racing experience. The carbon fiber body adds to its sophisticated design, and the detailed craftsmanship is a testament to Bugatti's commitment to excellence. Priced at $40,000 for the basic model and double that for the more advanced version, this vehicle is certainly an investment. However, for families who appreciate luxury and fine engineering, the Bugatti Baby 2 is a one-of-a-kind experience for children. Number 3. BTGC36V Dirt Bike, off-road excitement for teens. For older kids and teenagers who crave a more rugged ride, the BTGC36V Dirt Bike offers the perfect solution. Designed for children over the age of 13, this rally motorcycle can reach speeds of up to 25 kilometers per hour, providing a thrilling off-road experience. The BTGC Dirt Bike is powered by a 36-volt battery and comes equipped with all-terrain tires, making it ideal for outdoor adventures. It's priced at $500, offering an affordable entry point into the world of motorized off-road biking. Whether it's tearing through dirt trails or cruising around the backyard, this dirt bike delivers hours of fun and excitement. Number 2. Power Wheels Wild Thing, a whirl of fun for young drivers. Fisher-Price's Power Wheels Wild Thing takes a unique approach to children's vehicles. This quirky, 3-wheeled electric vehicle is controlled by 2 levers on either side of the driver, allowing the child to steer, move forward and backward, and even spin around on its axis. The Wild Thing reaches a maximum speed of 8 kilometers per hour, but parents can limit the speed to as low as 3 kilometers per hour for younger children. The large, rugged wheels allow for off-road adventures, making this vehicle perfect for lawns, parks, and other unpaved areas. With extra wide seats for added comfort and an open metal frame for a distinctive look, this $300 toy promises hours of endless fun for kids who love to move. Number 1. Geck and Snow, all-season ATV for children. Combining the fun of an ATV with the excitement of a snowmobile, the Geck and Snow is a multi-season vehicle that provides year-round enjoyment for children. In warmer months, it functions as a standard ATV, perfect for off-road adventures on dirt trails and grass. But when winter arrives, it transforms into a snowmobile with its triangular-shaped caterpillar tracks and wide skis. These modifications allow the vehicle to glide effortlessly over snow-covered terrains, making it versatile and exciting no matter the season. With an electric starter, a remote control, and a speed limiter, parents can ensure a safe and controlled ride. The vehicle's durable construction and reliable safety features make it ideal for children aged 3 to 8, and its top speed of 30 kilometers per hour delivers just the right amount of thrill. Whether it's snow or sunshine, the Geck and Snow ensures fun for adventurous young riders throughout the year. Thanks for sticking around to explore these amazing children's vehicles. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow adventure lovers. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to never miss out on more exciting content like this.